What's happening, boys? What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to do download FMODEL and actually show you how to leak all the different Fortnite stuff from the start and a bit more in depth from what you would actually usually see if you do search this up on YouTube. It's going to be a bit more updated on this one as well. So we're going to show you the most recent version of FMODEL as well, not just like the old ones. So what we'll do is we'll go straight to this website. I'm going to put this website in the description. And this is exactly where you're going to download it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you now. Yeah, so what you want to do is once you get to this website, you're going to have to scroll down on where it says features, and just underneath that it says installation. You can just click latest release. You can go to all releases. I usually click on all releases just to make sure everything is completely updated. Now this is the version that I've got is 3.1.1.1. So the easiest way to do that would literally just click on that and then click download pretty much. But it'll be just as easy as going back and just clicking latest release. And what you'll do is you'll see that it actually starts downloading as a zip file. I'm going to cancel that because I've already got it. It does say that you do need to have Netcore 3.1. So once you do actually have that downloaded and stuff, just click on Netcore right underneath and that'll start doing that. There's no viruses on this. Again, I've already got this, so I'm not going to really show all of that. Once you've got that all downloaded, you're going to be greeted with this folder here. Now you need to have something either using the Windows one, which is what I use, or you can use something like WinRAR. It's 2020. Everyone should have WinRAR, no excuses, boys, no lie. And we'll have a quick look. So once you got this, you're going to want to extract that to your desktop or whatever you want to put it. It doesn't make any difference to me. I've put it to my desktop. It's right here, and pretty much you're all good to go at this point. Being able to run the actual thing, you need to install Netcore 3.1 or whatever the fuck it is, boys, and do it that way. Once you've got this extracted, this will be the only thing this year, which is FMODEL. Once you start it up and you actually start exporting stuff, you'll actually get these folders put into this folder. And this will all be created for you. You don't need to do any of that. So you can go into like icons and stuff, and it gives you all of the icons which you want, so stuff you leak. So as an example, I've recently leaked the foil and also these bits here. So like for instance, we'll go on here, we got the Dread Oracle. My PC's running a bit slow at the moment. I can't open it, but you will be able to open it on Trust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boot up FMODEL quickly. Don't know which monitor this one's going to do. So what will happen is once you actually boot up FMODEL, this will be the first screen. There'll be nothing on you. If it's your first time using it, it's going to be quite confusing. So I'm going to try and run through all of this as quick, but also as in-depth and simple as I physically can. Because I'm guessing most of the people who do click on these don't have an actual clue on how to do it. So you'll have files, assets, settings, and help. Help, you don't really need to worry about. Settings and stuff is a good way to go before you even start. So click on general. So go settings, general. You'll be booted with general settings. You want to make sure that by here it says pack files. This is literally where your game files are and all the cosmetics and bits and pieces are in the whole game. Just to be confirmed, you've got to have Fortnite installed to be able to do this. You can't do this if you don't have Fortnite installed. It's not going to work. Okay. So yeah, pack files. If this isn't in here, it should automatically already be located for you. But if it isn't, click on the three dots here. Go to this PC. Go to where you have Fortnite installed. Mine's on my D drive. You want to go to Fortnite, Fortnite game, content, and then click on packs and then click select folder. And that's where you find that, or just copy whatever I put here. Just literally rewind the video if you have to. Extraction, that's where you actually extract. Again, that should automatically be to the folder where you've actually already extracted it from that file. Again, if that's not there, you click on that, you go to FMODEL and do it that way. It'll be on your desktop or wherever you've actually saved it. So once that's done, do that. You can go to settings and you've got icon creator. Now icon creator is obviously like the picture there you'll see when you extract or even save it. I'll go into a bit more depth of that. I personally don't use a watermark. I don't know why. I should use a watermark because then it means you'll always get these Twitter accounts which will leak stuff, so they say, but they'll just save the picture of stuff that I post or bigger leakers post, and that's kind of how that works. You can design that in whatever way you want. I like to use flat, but if you click minimalist, it changes the design of it. I like flat. Don't worry about display name, they'll all be filled in for you. If you want to use a watermark, click the plus button, find your watermark, and then it'll be there, and then click use watermark, and then you can adjust the size. Like I said, I don't use a watermark. I really should. I'd highly recommend using a watermark. Now, when you actually want to have a look at the files itself, the easiest way to do this would be to go to backups. Now these are all the backup packs, and it gives you the most recent ones. Now the most recent one is 13_40. So that's for season 4. Chapter 2, season 4. You would literally click that and click OK. This will ask you to download it. Make sure you've got enough space on your hard drive to be able to do it. Click download. I already have it downloaded, but I'll do it again for the video, boys. You know I got you. And then once that's downloaded, then it does tend to do pretty quickly, because it'll only show you all of the new stuff that's actually in the game. It won't just show you, it won't even show you stuff from last season or stuff that's already been pretty much released from the season before. And that's that. You can go to and load everything. I'll go into that now. So once you actually have that pack file downloaded, you're going to want to go to Files, Pack, and then you want to go to Loading Mode, and then New Files. Okay, make sure it says New Files, not Load All. Otherwise, it's going to do what I literally just told you, and it's going to take a good few minutes to actually be able to get everything. And you'll be searching through everything, looking at Season 2 skins and Season 3 skins. If you just want to be nosy and have a look, you can. But if you're leaking, there's going to be absolutely no point. Okay, so once you do that, click Load New Files, and then they'll come up here. Okay, you're going to want to click on the one you've just downloaded. Like I said, take notice of what it actually says. Click that, click Open, and then what that'll do is it'll start importing the files over here. Like I said, not much on you. Start of the season, so you don't need to really worry all about that. But here is all of the files you really do need to know, but I'm going to show you a nice easy way if you just want to specifically look at just cosmetics, or just want to have a look at stuff like that, because that's mainly what I do. I'm sure there'll be more videos showing how to do other things. At the moment, I'm specifically just doing cosmetics, so I'll show you then. You can click on Assets, Directories, and then this will show you little shortcuts on what to find. So like for instance, cosmetics, go to, they'll find all the cosmetics automatically for you. If you want to have a look at the dances, you can. The backpacks, they'll all come down here. What we'll do is we'll have a look at the characters. Okay, so obviously you've got the Marvel theme at the moment. They've got Groot. They've got Lady Hulk, or whatever the fucking name is. I don't take notice. Okay, I just leak them, put them on Twitter, and then you guys can give a shit whether you want to. Okay. So as an example, we're going to go to this one here, which is Hightower Squash. You could just double click on that, and then the picture will come up. So we've got Storm here. Obviously, when this file came out, it was before the game got released. So obviously, these have already been shown. Everyone's already got the game. It'd be pointless posting these unless there was an update up here or something. Like your Athena Kill, Stat Manager, different bits and pieces. If you understand that stuff, happy days. If you have any tips on this sort of stuff, just leave me know, because I don't fully understand this part yet. I'm still in the middle of that. But if you just want to get the icons and stuff, this is how you do it. Okay. So let's go Dark Ninja, like Dreadfit. That's not out yet. That's actually going to be an item shop skin. Obviously this isn't out, so you can use this if you wanted to. This has just been released, the Silver Surfer, which is going to be in the item shop, which is going to be like a battle, which is, like I said, it's already out, so it's pointless me explaining all that. But that's how you get the characters. You can go to the pets if you want to. So let's double click on that. That doesn't have a picture. You got all the pickaxes. So Dread Oracle Axis is what I was saying earlier, which I could pick up, but I just didn't. Staff of Doom, which is in the Battle Pass. Let's have a look what else. We got Hand of Lightning, so Storms, Scullies. So yeah, we got the Dark Scully pickaxe here, which is Dark Splitter, and they're the pickaxes that haven't been released. So as you can see, there is unreleased stuff in here. You can leak it. Most of the stuff is already leaked, but this again preparing you for later on, and for different bits and pieces. You got all the sprays, all of that sort of stuff. Okay, you can actually have a look at all the challenges as well. So let's have a look. If you go on the challenges, you got week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So we're going to go week 1. As you can see, most of the people like myself have already finished all of these. Got all the challenges done. Happy days. But you can also have a look at week 2 challenges if you want to. If you want to see a bigger screen, you can literally click open image, and that'll come up with a bigger screen like this. So so the week now, when it comes Thursday, I'm UK time. It'll be Search Chest in Salty Springs, Eliminations of the Authority, blah 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 blah. You can see them right there if you want to see them now. You can literally go on my Twitter or whatever. That'll be linked in the description as well. Okay, so let's close that down. So that's pretty much the easiest way to explain it. You kind of got to work it out for yourself once you're here. There's so much. If I was literally doing this, if I literally told you everything, you would be here for good hours, like a good few hours. It'd take me days to work fully most of it out. Okay, you got all the gliders, bits and pieces. Okay, you don't just have to do cosmetics. You can do like consumables. You can have a look at the different fishing rods, materials, and it tells you everything there. You got the meshes, which won't allow me to click on anything. That's just the meshes, and then you got the textures. So you got the textures of the actual fishing rods here. Now that's something I haven't seen. I never saw. Oh yes, yeah. So obviously that's the pro fishing rod. You can see Peely's face in there, and that's just a texture anyway. So yeah, that's that. You got a dance grenade, bits and pieces like that. So that's obviously the boogie bomb. You got a shockwave grenade here. I may be going too far into this, but yeah. So yeah, that's how you actually download FMODEL. Okay. So once you've downloaded FMODEL, just follow the steps, kind of get used to it, learn it a bit yourself, and then I'll show you the best way of actually how to leak stuff. Obviously, you're going to need a Twitter account. Okay, what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you exactly how to leak it, how to get all of the pictures, and how to gain a bit of fucking clout, you know? Now, this is my Twitter by here, Xenox Fortnite Leaks at Leak Xenox. If you do want to chuck me a follow, you can. If this video has helped you, just obviously make sure you follow me on Twitter, man. I'll show you exactly how to do all this sort of stuff. You can always DM me bits and pieces, and we'll have a chat and kind of talk you through it. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down here, and this is one of my original posts. A lot of the stuff I'll kind of explain. Groot is also available in silver and gold foil. So I've leaked this. Like I said, it doesn't get much traction. I'm still only small at the moment, but like I said, if you do enjoy the video, make sure to check me out, man. Honestly. So Groot silver foil, Groot gold foil. I've got one by here now, which is going to be the rocket back bling. Now, if I wanted to actually post this picture, I can literally right click on your save image and then save it wherever you want. I chuck them in the icons, and this is how I do it. I do it one at a time, bits and pieces like that. So save that in here. Create your Twitter account. You can make it whatever you want. I honestly couldn't give two fucks what it actually is. I'm going to be straightforward with you boys. Just literally put whatever you want there. I chose Xenox. My Fortnite account is Xenox, so that's why. You're going to want to basically go tweets, and you're going to want to tweet out, and then go to your photos, and you want to actually get to where you just was. So where is it? FMODEL, and then icons. So here is the rocket one. So you go to icons, or wherever you've actually saved the photo. You go here, and then type whatever you want. Can't wait to get this. What do you all think? Or so it's something like that, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to post this, and you want to make sure you put like a hashtag. So what I do is I always put Fortnite, and then hashtag Fortnite leaks, and then obviously that'll come out a bit more to other people. You tweet that out and go from there. So then you've got that photo there, and then everyone's also able to see it on mobile, the full lot, and it look nice and clean. So that's what I would recommend. Obviously with your Twitter, I would personally just stick to just leaks. It is okay to use other people's leaks, okay, as long as you give them credit. So as an example, what I'll do is, like, see, look, I've just put this, all of the Tony Stark beams have disappeared. Now there's a circle around Frenzy Farm. Credit me if used. That'll kind of help stop, because if you see someone using that exact one, you can comment to it, and it's like I said, look, credit me if used. And then I said, should I do a YouTube video showing how to data mine? And hence we are here, okay? If you are using someone else's leak, like this one over here, like I've used their leak because I actually didn't get this, and it was already posted. Pointless me looking for it if it's already been fucking posted, you know what I mean? So what you want to do is you want to just basically save the photos, write whatever you want, use your hashtags, and then just put at the bottom credit, and I've used Tiger Hyper and FNBRHQ. So we got Mikey here as well. So obviously if you wanted to credit them, you have to credit them, okay? And that's kind of how you do it. All right. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Everyone's gonna be new. It's a brand new channel. But like I said, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I'll put the link in the description. That's the main thing. You know, if you're going to use any of the leaks that I use, feel free. Just make sure you give me credit. I prefer to stay straightforward with you guys. Peace.